Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I wanted to bring out this piece. This piece is a fountain soda dispenser and I used it in my miniature diner. I recently shared that with you and I called it Elvis Presley's Diner. So what I did was I took some Lego pieces and I put it all together with some magnets. Now I'm going to show you the back of this machine. We call it a machine, right? A fountain soda machine. So what I did first, I took a board, a gray board, so that would hold together both strips of Legos. That's all I did. And then I added those little magnet pieces. Now those little magnet pieces are supposed to dispense the soda into the cups. So if you want to start something in miniature and you wanted to start maybe a restaurant or a diner, you can make a piece like this very easily. Now if you don't have the cups, you can take a straw and cut the straw to the size of those little cups. And then you can label them too if you have something that says Pepsi, 7-Up, or any type of drink. So that is all that is. And when I gave you the tour of Elvis's Diner, I realized that I only focused on it just for like 3 seconds, more or less. So you didn't really get to see this part, this piece. And this little lady here, she's a waitress. She's missing a hand. She's part of something else that I have for Christmas. But she goes well in here, even though she has roller skates. Let's see, yep, she has roller skates. And the flooring, you might recognize it. This is from the diner that I created. And that's it. I wanted to share this machine with you up close. So I hope that you have enjoyed this little DIY fountain soda machine. And thank you so much for watching.